Assalamualaikum and good day to for Semedia Technologist Dr. Muhammad Fikir bin Asmori. So today we make a presentation for Group 3, which is Sustainable Construction Management for my project to site visit to synthetic field. My group member Dak Sini Anak Perempuan Kandasami CF20247, Damia Bahira binti Abdullah CF220223, and then my name is Muhammad Ali Muhammad Yunus CF22028, Nur Akila binti Ashar CF220122, and then lastly Putri Nur Syafika binti Megat Khalid CF220141.
I'm Dakshani Gandasamy. My metric number is CF220247. Today I would like to present about the project background. So firstly, the project location. The site that we visited, which is the project at the UTHM Padang, located near Block G2. The project involved the construction and development of the field for the use of all university students. After that, this is the project layout and the field layer construction of the project. After that, the construction methodology of project. Okay, firstly, the site survey and setting out. So we will accurate measurement of construction boundaries and layout. Then the marking the field dimension for precise construction. Then the ground preparation, which is clearing the site, leveling and compacting the sites to ensure the solid and stable foundation. Okay. Then layering works, which is 200 mm crusher on layering, which is compact crusher stone aggregate for a stable base. Then the 600 mm U drain installation, efficient water drainage system to prevent the water pooling. 300 mm and 150 mm subsoil layers to enhance ground stability and support drainage. And then the drainage and boundary construction, the brick sump construction to manage the surface water runoff effectively. Then the curb installation. For the curb installation defines the field's boundary and adds the structural support. Okay, and then the surface preparation, which is layering the base course layer, provides a smooth and stable surface. Artificial turf installation, which is durable, player-friendly surface for the football activities. Then the accessory installation, goalposts, corner flags, and the drainage covers installed to meet midfield standards. Then the Astaka, which is grandstand, is the construction of pilework to establish a strong foundation. Base concrete slab supports the grandstand structure. And then safety and access features, which is backstop netting installation for a safety feature using piling work and stability. And then the concrete slab walkway to provide a safe and convenient access around the field. So the final inspection and handover to the client to ensure the all works meet quality and safety standard. After that, the site condition and the challenges. So the soil composition and the ground stability, which is varied soil condition with soft and uneven areas. So required true compaction to achieve a stable foundation. For the uneven ground pose risk to the stability of the construction layers. Then the second issue is drainage issues, which is insufficient natural slope for the proper water runoff. That's why we install a 600 mm U drain necessary to prevent the water pooling. And then the alignment difficulties during the drainage installation due to the uneven ground. The third one is size accessibility constraint, which is limited site access, slow the material and machinery movement at site, confined space, complicated material storage, and the equipment operation. Then the weather challenges like heavy rain and extreme temperatures caused the project delays, and the earthwork and the concrete pouring were especially affected. For the material approval, which is kelulusan bahan, also slow approval process delay the material procurement. And then the incorrect sunrise and sunset prediction, which is misjudgment of daylight hours caused the potential glare on the field, so could have the distracted players during the gameplay. Then the piling work complication, which is encountered the hard soil layers during the piling for the astaka, which is grandstand, and then backstop netting. So the required adjustments in piling method and the use of additional equipment. And then lastly, for the solution implemented, which is conducted the soil testing and applied ground stabilization technique, which is adjusted construction schedule based on the weather forecast. And then also improve the communication with suppliers for a faster material approval and delivery. And lastly, optimize the site management to maximize space and improve the equipment movement. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tamia Bahira and my metric number is CF22003. I will start by highlighting the planning and coordination efforts for this football field project. Okay, the project began in July 2024 and was initially scheduled to finish in January 2025. However, due to frequent rainfall in Perak Raja Johor, the timeline was extended to February 2025 with the extension of time which is EOT approved. So, key team members include the project manager, site safety supervisor, site engineer, site supervisor, and general workers. To ensure effective coordination, the team relied on daily updates via WhatsApp and monthly progress meetings to address any challenges. For resource management, the project used high-quality materials like 50 mm artificial grass made from chrome rubber, shock pads, subsoil and drainage components. The workforce consisted of 1 site engineer, 3 machinery handler, and 8 general workers. Efficient procurement strategies and minimal material wastage help maintain cost efficiency throughout the project. Now let's move on to quality assurance, safety, and environmental consideration. Regular inspections were carried out to ensure proper subsoil grading, drainage installation, and artificial turf placement, with monthly report maintained for compliance. Safety was prioritized through daily toolbox stocks and mandatory use of personal protective equipment, which is PPE, for all workers. Environmentally, during site clearing, dump piles from a previous project were removed responsibly. Additionally, using recycled chrome rubber in the artificial grass reflects the project's commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly practice. The efforts in planning, resource management, quality control, and sustainability highlights the project's effective management practice, ensuring a successful and environmentally responsible outcome.
For sustainable construction on site, which is in that figure, reduce plastic. Durable grass fiber are made from recycled plastic, often sourced from used bottle. This reduces the demand for new plastic and help prevent plastic waste in landfill and ocean. After that, we have recycled rubber, which is described that tires are repurposed as infill material, providing cushioning and support. This not only reduce the tire waste but also lower the carbon footprint by using less new rubber. After that, next we have organic unfilled material, which is alternative like cork, coconut fiber, and sand are increasingly used. This biodegradable and reusable material offer natural benefits such as improved drainage and more organic playing surface. So for the right picture, we have reduced water use, which is unlike natural grass, synthetic field require little to no irrigation, reducing water consumption for upkeep. They only need water for occasional cleaning or cooling, easing the strain on local water supplies. After that, rainwater harvesting. Many facilities now implement rainwater collection system. The stored water can be used for irrigation, cleaning, and turf maintenance. Further, reducing reliance on municipal water resource, especially in dry season. So next we have no moving, which is no moving synthetic turf eliminates the needs for grass power lawn mower, reducing energy use and lowering carbon emission from greenhouse gases and air pollution. After that, no chemical, which is unlike natural grass, synthetic field not require fertilizer, pesticide or herbicide, which can pollute water supplies and harm ecosystem. This reduces the environmental impact of chemical treatments. Next, we have no frequent irrigation, which is synthetic field don't need regular watering, conserving water, which is especially valuable in drought-prone areas. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Akila binti Ashar. Today I will present about the comparison between the ideal practices versus the actual practices in 4 key aspects. First is planning, material selection, risk management, and technology use. Okay, for planning and schedule, ideally, A clear work plan with built-in time buffer should account for risks like weather delays. However, in actual practice, work was delayed due to heavy rain and last-minute layout change to Astaka. Second, material selection. The ideal approach involved using recycled and eco-friendly material to minimize cost and environmental impact. In reality, only new material were used, missing opportunity for sustainability. Third, risk management. Ideally, proactive strategy including regular assessment should mitigate risks like weather disruption. But in practice, there was no strong backup plan and delay occurred due to rain and late layout adjustment. And lastly, technology use. Advanced tools like automatic leveling and real-time monitoring could increase efficiency. However, the actual practice relied on mostly manual work with basic tool, slowing progress and reducing accuracy. This comparison highlight area for improvement to align actual practice closer to the ideal standard.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Nur Syafiqah binti Malak Khalid, CF 220141. So next is for the sustainability recommendation. So first is to optimize the subsoil preparation and drainage. This is to minimize tree removal, preserve natural vegetation, and implement paving and bioswales for better drainage. Next is maintenance and cost consideration. This is to evaluate natural and artificial turf for long-term cost, and this artificial turf refuses water consumption. So lastly is eco-friendly site clearance, where this is to preserve native plants and trees and replant only when needed. So next is the long-term maintenance, sustainability and awareness. First is long-term maintenance strategy, where regular turf leveling and eco-friendly cleaning methods will be done. Next is to train staff on sustainable care practices and reduce water usage. Next is sustainability education. So this is more for the education for the students, where this can promote eco-friendly project features through campus programs and organize workshops and tours to educate students on the sustainable practices. So in conclusion, the construction of this synthetic field at UTHM Padang near G2 highlights the commitment of university for sustainable campus development. So by incorporating these eco-friendly materials, efficient drainage system, the project balances modern functionality and environmental responsibility. So these practices not only reduces long-term maintenance, but it is the benchmark for future projects that prioritizes environmental care and community well-being. So that is all from our group. Thank you.